Thank you for choosing Orlando Auto Body for your vehicle repair needs. We believe a well-informed customer is a happy customer. First, we'd like you to know that getting your car or truck repaired safely and in a timely manner is our #1 goal. In most cases, we can convince the insurance company to agree to the repairs we've recommended fairly quickly. Now, if not, we'll walk you through 3 simple steps to get that approved with us. If there's anything about the damage you've forgotten to mention, please let us know. For example, did the accident cause a food spill inside the car that stained the seats or carpeting? Or was a seat belt in use and damaged in the accident that may need replaced? Remember, our goal is to return your vehicle to pre-accident condition, not almost pre-accident condition. That means every necessary part is replaced. Now, the process of getting your vehicle repaired is complex and it involves more than just fixing the car. We must first identify the repair needs, then get the repair estimate approved by the insurance company, then order and track the parts, then do the body and framework, then the painting, dealing with outside vendors and their busy schedules, and getting it all done for you on a timely basis. Orlando Auto Body will call you when your repairs are approved and provide you with an approximate delivery date. Then we'll call you a few days before your vehicle is ready and agree on a convenient time for you to pick it up. In the event of a total loss, we strongly recommend that you do not remove your car or truck from our facility until an offer for total compensation on your car has been provided by the insurance carrier and reviewed by us. Why? Because the insurance companies are a lot more cooperative when the car is still in your possession. Send us the documentation the insurance company provided you and we'll research it at no charge to make sure you are being treated fairly. In most cases, we can help you get a lot more for your totaled vehicle than the insurance company first offers. Here's how Orlando Auto Body helps when it comes to rental cars. If you're contacted by the rental car company telling you the car rental is up, don't worry. Orlando Auto Body will get the rental car extended for you. We'll cut through the confusion for you. You have 30 days of rental and you can use them all if need be, and we'll see to it. We hope you found this video informative, and thanks again for choosing Orlando Auto Body, where we put our customers' best interests ahead of profits. For over 30 years, Orlando Auto Body has put its customers' best interests ahead of profits.